What's going on, everybody? We're back on the Corvette today, and as you can see, we got the exhaust drop back down. We have to put a wideband O2 sensor in here. Alright, we have our setup here. See if you can see that. I have an old O2 sensor I usually screw into the bung, just keeps little spatters from getting in the threads. Helps you line it up in the whole tube. AEM recommends at least a 10-degree upward angle, so you don't want it sitting this level or even down. So angle it keeps from inside there, it keeps water from accumulating in it and fouling out the sensor. But we'll get this set up here and get it tacked on, and you can watch me weld. And there you got it, there's the finished product. Just getting real close now, got a couple more things to button up, and heads off tomorrow morning for the dynos. We're getting ready to drive it down to Race Proven Motorsports in Delaware. It's another kind of crappy day out, as you can see. Hopefully we don't get too much rain on the way, because I did wash it last night. Looking really good. Except some slight tuning issues, which is why it's here. All right, we're on our way to get the Corvette from Race Proven Motorsports. We're getting close now. They did have to do another supercharger pulley to make more boost. It was only making 2.8 pounds, I think, so they put a little bit smaller pulley. Now it's making 5 pounds. This is the customer, Rick. What do you think? What do you think it's gonna make rear wheel?
720.
720. I'm gonna stick with about 700, and it made 620 before with less boost, a different cam, and non-ported heads. So we're gonna find out here real soon. All right, here she is. Let's go in there and get the bill taken care of.
How you doing?
There he is. Good. How are you?
Good.
Hey, buddy.
Cool.
Let's fire it up after the tune. Definitely sounds good with the B3 cam. Supercharger, you can hear it. Cam sound is very good. Let's take her for a drive now and see how she's performing. These tires definitely need to be upgraded. It has no traction at all.
Yeah, it really thumps.
Yeah, definitely. On an idle.
Yeah.
cam is a definite good idea.